Do you want to start a business that costs almost nothing, but has the potential to completely transform your financial future? Imagine earning life-changing money, all from the comfort of your own home, with just a laptop and an internet connection. Today, I'll show you 5 proven business models you can start from your bedroom, anywhere in the world, no matter your experience. This is your challenge. Pick one, take action, and let's rewrite the rules of making money together, starting right now. If you're looking for the fastest way to start earning money online, freelancing is hands down the best path. It's accessible, flexible, and you can get started with just a laptop and an internet connection. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, freelancing opens up a world of opportunities for anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, video editing, or web development, there are countless people and businesses out there who need your help, and they're willing to pay for it. Even if you're just starting out, you can learn these skills online for free or at a low cost and quickly turn them into a source of income. Head over to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a professional profile that highlights your strengths and showcases your best work. Don't worry if you don't have real client projects yet. Make some sample pieces just for your portfolio. The key is to show potential clients what you're capable of, so they feel confident hiring you. In the beginning, set your prices lower than the competition. This helps you attract your first clients and start building up those all-important reviews. Remember, your goal at this stage is to gain experience and social proof, not to get rich overnight. As you collect positive reviews and your reputation grows, you can gradually increase your rates. You'll notice more clients reaching out, and your demand will start to snowball. This is when freelancing really starts to pay off, not just financially, but in terms of confidence and freedom. Eventually, as your workload increases, you can start outsourcing tasks to other freelancers, or even build your own small team. This is how many top freelancers transition into running full-fledged agencies, multiplying their income and impact. Freelancing isn't just about making money, it's about building a personal brand and a real business, all from the comfort of your laptop. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the projects that excite you most. So don't just sit on the sidelines. Take action. Sign up on a freelancing platform today, start building your profile, and begin your journey to becoming a freelance god. Your future self will thank you for taking the first step. Imagine waking up in the morning to find that you've made money overnight, without even lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's possible, and it's called passive income. Want to make money while you sleep? One of the most accessible ways to start is through affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services you genuinely believe in, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting people with solutions they need and getting rewarded for it. The process is simple. Find a product you trust, sign up for their affiliate program, and get your unique tracking link. Then, share that link through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. Whether you love writing, making videos, or just sharing cool finds with friends, there's a way for you to get involved. Digital products are especially powerful in this space. Because there's no physical inventory, commissions can be huge, sometimes as high as 70%. That means you can earn a significant income from just a handful of sales, especially if you focus on high-value products that solve real problems. The key is to create genuinely helpful content that answers questions, solves problems, or entertains your audience. When people trust you, they're more likely to click your links and make a purchase. Over time, your content works for you around the clock, bringing in commissions even while you're busy with other things, or just relaxing. The beauty of this model is its longevity. A single blog post, video, or social media post can continue to generate income for months or even years after you publish it. Your past efforts keep paying off, creating a snowball effect as your content library grows. Remember, the secret to lasting passive income is focusing on value, not spam. Build trust with your audience by recommending only what you truly believe in. Over time, you'll create a reliable income stream that could even replace your day job. So why wait? Start building your passive income machine today. Your future self will thank you for taking the first step toward financial freedom. Got a cool t-shirt idea? With print on demand, you can sell shirts, mugs, and more without ever touching inventory. Create a design, upload it to Shopify or Etsy, and connect to a service like Printful. When someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. You only pay after you've been paid. Test unlimited ideas with zero risk. If a design flops, you lose nothing. If it goes viral, you profit big. Focus on creativity and marketing, and you could build a brand from your bedroom. Build a YouTube channel, get millions of views, and make money without ever showing your face. Pick a popular niche, write scripts, hire voiceover artists and editors, and manage the process. Monetize with AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate links in your video descriptions. Start solo, then reinvest profits to build a team and run multiple channels. You're not just a YouTuber, you're running a content business. The opportunity is massive. Start your faceless channel today. My absolute favorite idea for building wealth and freedom is to create and sell digital products. Imagine this. You can write an ebook, film a course, or design a set of templates just once and then sell them over and over again to people all around the world. The beauty of digital products is that you put in the work up front, but the rewards can keep coming in for years. Whether it's a step-by-step guide, a video course, or a collection of ready-to-use templates, you only need to create it once, and then you can sell it forever, with no limits on how many people can buy. Think about the skills or knowledge you already have. Maybe you're great at fitness, cooking, coding, or even organizing. Package that expertise into something valuable, like a fitness guide, a cooking class, or a coding tutorial. And you've got a product that can help others while earning you money. The possibilities are endless. People everywhere are looking for solutions, shortcuts, and new skills. You can create digital products about almost anything: parenting tips, language learning, productivity hacks, or even niche hobbies. And the best part? You don't need a big budget to get started. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and many others let you upload and sell your digital products with almost zero upfront cost. No need to worry about shipping or handling physical inventory. There's no inventory to store, no boxes to pack, and no shipping fees to pay. Every time someone buys your product, it's pure profit. Your margins can be close to 100%. Build it once, and you can keep earning from it forever. This is how you break free from trading your time for money. Imagine relaxing at home, or even traveling the world, while sales notifications pop up on your phone. Your income keeps growing, even when you're not working. If you want a business model with unlimited scale and the highest profit margins, digital products are the ultimate way to go. There's no ceiling to how much you can earn. From ebooks to online courses to digital templates, the opportunities are endless. People are making life-changing income by sharing what they know. So don't wait. Start brainstorming your digital asset today. Your knowledge could be your ticket to infinite profit. Those are the 5 best business ideas you can start today: freelancing, affiliate marketing, print on demand, YouTube automation, and digital products. Pick one, commit, and take action. The only thing stopping you is you. Comment below which idea you'll try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep earning, keep growing. See you in the next one.